If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in advanced level where we are solving previous year IIT JEE questions on complex numbers. So today we will be solving question number 18C, D, 19, 20, 21, 22, A, B and then up to C. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. If you come to B, I see this is given the set of point this one. So they have given you something of this fashion. Omega is this is given. So you find the locus of this one satisfying all these conditions what they have given. So if you apply this one and you calculate your real and imaginary parts, your alpha is equal to this, beta equal to this, replace this alpha beta, so you will get the equation of x and y. Because we are calculating the locus of z, set of points z which satisfies. So z we have taken x and y. So we have got the equation of x and y. So this is the locus where z can go. You calculate eccentricity is this 4 by 5. So P will all be the answer. Q is what? Q is only x-axis, so it is not containing the entire ellipse. This is your ellipse. So next one, 5. They are asking it is between real z is between minus 2 and minus 2. It is inside this one. So no. So your ellipse is inside this one because your S was telling that real part should be less than 2, mod of real part. So it should be either less than 2 or this side minus 2. It should be inside this one because it was mod. So ellipse is inside this one, so that's why S is an answer. T, it is the circle and inside which the ellipse is entering. So it is T will be also the answer. Now if you come to D, mod Z is 1 and given. So you can apply this same method C, but here because it is given mod Z is 1, so you always tempted if it is 1, it is always our temptation to go to cis theta. And z bar, because z is equal to this one by z bar is also, because omega into omega bar will be equal to 1, then omega will be equal to 1 by omega. So this is always, if it is unimodular, this is always true, because this is equal to this is given 1, so that's why this. So omega bar is this one, so if you add this one omega plus omega bar, because why you are adding 1 by omega is nothing but omega bar, you know. So if you add this to it will be always 2 cos theta. It is always purely real and its value will always lie between minus 2 to 2. So from here to here is your solution. So P will not be because it is not a ellipse. So set of points which satisfying imaginary z0, yes, that is the entire x-axis. So this is, yes, this is contained in the entire x-axis. So that's why this one will be your answer. And this is also contained in y. Imaginary y is less than 1. They have told you imaginary y is less than 1 because mod of that one was less than 1. It can be this one, it can be this side. So this x portion is inside that zone because this is giving this zone, and this is also giving because it is 2 and minus 2, so that is also containing in this zone. So S is also the answer. T, obviously it is inside that circle. Center is origin, radius is 3, so minus 2 to 2 will be inside that circle, so obviously T will also be the answer. Now if you come to 19, if omega is not equal to 1, be a cube root of unity, and S be the set of all non-singular matrix such that this format, then ABC is either omega or omega square. Where each ABC is either omega or omega square, the number of distinct matrix of set S. Then one thing you have to start with, it is non-singular matrix. That means this determinant cannot be 0. So you have to check which determinant is giving 0. Then you will find something value of ABC to get either in terms of omega and omega 0. So if you calculate this one, determinant should not be 0. So this, if I consider it not equal to 0, so this is not equal to 0, you can open it easily. So if you do this one, you will take omega common this is, so you can factorize it 2 parts, this is not equal to 0. So that means B can be any value, but A cannot be. If you see this one, A omega cannot be 1, so A cannot be 1 by omega, and omega 1 by omega is nothing but omega square, so A cannot be omega square. C also cannot be omega square. So A can be only omega and C and A and C can only be omega, but B can be any value. So what are the sets possible? They have asked you to get the set of ABC. So the possible set is all 3 omega, and another set is B can be omega square, but A cannot be other than omega, A and C. So these two are fixed, so you can change only. So only 2 combination is possible. So they have asked you how many combinations of ABC are possible, either omega or omega C. So answer is 2. Possible, 2 possibilities are there. So if you come to 20, Z is any complex number satisfying this. This is again a circle. Inside that circle, that is 3, 2, radius 2, so obviously it will touch the minimum value of 2Z, this. So you take 2 common, so it is Z minus this. So what is this? Is nothing but the distance from the point 3 comma 5 by 2. So what is the minimum distance? So minimum distance is this one. If it is directly, this distance will be greater, this distance will be, minimum distance will be, because it is 3, so it is in the same line. Minimum is always in the direction, in the normal direction, I told you, in case of circle. So what is this distance? This distance is 5 by 2. So it is 2 into 5 by 2. Now 21, if you see this one, ABC is a non-zero complex number such that this is given, then the value of this one was of integer type, but it was a wrong question, so bonus mark was given at that year. So because if you put A equal to B equal to C, then you will find its answer is 1 by 3, it is not an integer. Because if I check with, because A, B, C can be equal, they have not given that A, B, C are not equal. So if you put A equal to B equal to C, then X equal to A by 3, and this will be 0, 1 plus this will be 0. So this YZ will be 0, this will be A equal to 3A square, and this will be divided by 6, so you will find a fraction there. So that's why it was not a proper question, it was a wrong question. 22. Now if you come to 22, there are other things mixed with this one, but I thought because complex number is there, I will complete it. Those who have not done till now definite integral and vector, just bear with me for some time. So if you see this one, the first one, A, B, C, 3 vectors are given, they are forming a triangle, then the internal angle between A, B, C. Now once they form it, because you have not done vector, so let me show you. Only 2 dimension is there, okay, 2 dimensions, sorry. Only J cap and K cap, sorry. These 2 vectors and these 2 dimensions are there. First vector is A vector. If it is A vector, that means it is starting from 0, 1, comma root 3. So this is 1, comma root 3 it is going. This is minus 1, comma root 3. So this is minus 1, comma root 3, another vector. And another one is 2 root 3, 2 root 3 K. So this is 2 root 3, 0, comma 2 root 3. So three vectors, these 3 are not the points of, they are not told you they are the vertices of a triangle. They say that these vectors are forming triangle. So the triangle will be, you need to use this vector, this direction. So you take this vector, using these 3 vectors, you have to make a close triangle. So these two same, you shift this one, because vector you can shift. If you shift this one, you bring it this side, this vector, then this is the triangle that is formed. So this is the triangle. This vector is this one. Vector you can move any direction. So now you can find this distance between these 2 triangle, all sides you can find, and they have asked you to find the internal angle between A and B. And here also you can see, because if you go minus 1, so you will come here, because how much distance you will move from here? This is minus 1, comma 3. So you move minus 1 here, and you move 3 here, so you reach there. So obviously this will touch it here. So these 3 are closing that one. So they have asked you to, you know the distance between all 3 points. So this one will be 2, under root this square, 3 plus 1, 4. This is also be 2, because 2 root 3 minus root 3 will be root 3. And this will be 1, so this will be 2 also. So you can find cos theta, you have learned all this formula, this square plus this square minus c square by this one. So you know all these distances, suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C. So these distances you have calculated, you know the cos theta. So you will get cos theta equal to minus half. Now if you check this one, from figure itself you can give, you can think what will be theta. Whatever they have asked you, to find the internal angle of triangle between A and B. That means this is the question they have asked you. So if you see now, this is from here also you can draw. This is root 3, this is 1. So what will be this angle? This is 60 degree. This is also root 3, 1. So what will be this angle? 10 root 3, that is 60. So what will be this angle? This will be 60 degree. So this is between A and B. Between A and B, this angle is 60 degree. This is your A vector, this is your V vector. You can see this angle and these angles are same angle. So obviously this one will be 120. And also you can see this is the largest side. So this should have greater angle. These should have smaller. So if it is 60, then these two will be higher. It will be, all will be 60, 60, 60. It is not possible. This angle cannot, because these two are same. So these two angles are same. So it cannot be 60. So your answer should be 120. That is 2 pi by 3. So that is your option Q. Now if you come to this one they have given a square minus b square, and this limit is from A to B. So let's change it, those who have done definite integral, because at the end we put the limit only. So let's take it is b square minus a square. That means because it is coming b square minus a square, that means the original function should have been x square. Then only if you put instead of xb it will come. So if it is your original function, that means your function this is from which integration is this one, minus x square. The integration of minus 2x. If you take minus 2x integration, then it will be minus 2x will be x square by 2. So then the minus x square will come. That means your original function was this. That means your fx is this. That means if you put now instead of x pi by 6, your answer will be pi by 6. That is your option P. D will be connected to P. Now if you come to see this one, sec. So sec x, you know, ln this by this. Whatever you have done integration, then you know the thing that you have multiplied, you will divide it. So this will get cancelled. It will be pi by 3. It is pi by 6. You put these values there. I think you can easily calculate 5 pi by 6 pi into 5 pi by 6 150 degree. These values you can directly put. By now you know how to calculate 210 using trigonometry. So if you do all these things, you will get this in. And what is the log minus is log this divided by this. So if you divide this by this, then it will be, it is mod of this one. In the formula actually it is given mod, so that it becomes positive. So it becomes positive. So if you divide, it will be root 3, and root 3, that is 3. So ln 3 will get cancelled. Pi will be there. So that is S. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.